This is a device overview for the Vatech A9. We're going to start with the on-off switch, which is underneath the horizontal column. It's a green toggle switch. You want to toggle this on in the morning. You'll notice that the overhead will go into a start rotation. And in the evening, you want to go ahead and toggle it off to power the machine down. A9 emergency stop switch is also underneath the horizontal arm. It is a red button. To press that red button, it will cut the power to the overhead. Turn the knob and it will restore power to the overhead. Next, let's look at our A9 appliances. The A9 comes with your bite stick. Also comes with the edentulous cup and our TMJ and sinus appliance. The edentulous cup and the bite stick will utilize the large chin rest. Your TMJ and sinus appliance will utilize the shorter chin rest. The Vatech A9 column up and down button are on the horizontal arm. There's also your hand switch for up and down of the device itself. A unique feature of the A9 is there is no canine and there are no temple supports. One function of the A9 to move from pano to CBCT is you will move the entire chin rest back away from the column for CBCT and forward towards the column for pano mode. The A9 also includes a horizontal beam adjustment specifically for our Frankfurt horizontal beam, and a patient positioning mirror where the patient can see themselves in the mirror. Let's talk about cleaning and care. You want to use a hydrogen peroxide based cleaner or wipe. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down any areas with my wipe. We're going to let that set per the manufacturer's recommended time. Come back with a dry, clean cloth and wipe down any excess. Lastly, let's talk about location of the device serial number. It is on the lower right column, starting with 098. You want to be aware that if and when you do talk to either your dealer, Vatech customer support, or if you're working with Vatech Education, we will ask you for that serial number.